Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name's Eleni. I'm going to be doing an iPhone 12 unboxing for you guys. I'm so excited because I'm actually upgrading from the iPhone 6, so this is a huge upgrade for me. So I'm just so excited to have this new iPhone, and I really wanted to unbox it for you guys so you can see what it's like, and I wanted to show you all the accessories I got and the case that I got. And I've actually had the phone for a few weeks now. I was waiting to film this video until I got my case. So now that I have my case, I am ready to film this video for you guys. And so I already have the unboxing part of it already filmed. So I'm going to insert a montage of those clips for you guys. And then I'll talk about the phone afterwards, show you guys all of the accessories and the case that I have. So let's get into this video. Okay guys, so here's the phone. I got the iPhone 12 Pro and it came in the silver. So it actually looks white in person. You can kind of tell from the camera that it's not exactly silver on the back. So I was a little confused when I first opened it. I was like, is this a sticker? What is this? But it actually is, it does look white, and sometimes it does look silver, but it's mostly white, and it's silver on the sides of it. And this iPhone is so sleek and it's so skinny, and the cameras on it are amazing. I just love this phone so much. It's so amazing, and it doesn't have the home screen, so it's just like the swipe up. It has the Face ID. It has all those cool new things that the iPhone has. And so this is the box that it came in. It's smaller, as you can see, and the reason they changed it now is because it's no longer coming with the charging box. So I had to buy this separate from the phone. I ordered it online at the Apple Store, so this was something extra that I had to get. But so the phone did come with its own charging wire, and the wire has a little bit different of a plug, so that's why I had to buy the new charging box. So if you are getting the new phone and you are upgrading from, you know, the 6 or maybe the 7, you do have to get the charging box because it no longer is compatible with the other box. So you would have to buy it separately. And also another big difference between this phone and some of the older versions is that this phone no longer comes with headphones either. I had to buy the AirPods, and I actually bought these off of Amazon, and they are the real AirPods. They're not fake or anything. So I guess I'm lucky that I got the real ones, but you can order them on Amazon. I would use caution. I know sometimes that you can get the fake ones, but they are real. They come in this box like this, and then they just look like this. So they look like this. And this was the first time that I've had AirPods. I've been using just the regular earphones from before, and I really love these. They've been such a game changer. It's so nice to be listening to something and I can get up from my computer and not have to take them out or like disconnect myself from the wire. So it's just been very convenient having these, and I highly recommend. Because also, if you don't know, the newer iPhones, they no longer have the headphone jack, so you can no longer plug in the regular wired headphones into this. So that's something else that I had to change from my iPhone 6. So yeah, I had to buy these because the wired headphones no longer plug into the new iPhone. So those were all of the accessories that I had to get, separate from the actual iPhone. But now I wanted to show you guys the case that I got. So I got a case from Casetify. If you haven't heard of them, I've seen them all around Instagram from different influencers. And these phone cases are supposed to be very good. I've heard they're military grade and you can drop them from like 6 feet or something like that. And I think they're antimicrobial as well. I'm not entirely sure. But I wanted to open that up for you guys because I just got it in the mail yesterday. So I've been walking around with my new iPhone without a case. So I'm really happy that I have this case now. If you are going to order a case from them, just know that it does take a while. It took a while for me. I don't know if that's normal or not. I also did get it customized. That could have just been what took longer, but yeah. So now I'm going to open it for you guys. So this is my case. I got it from Casetify. So yeah, I'm so excited to have this case. It just got in the mail yesterday. I actually ordered it a while ago. I think because I customized it, it took a little bit longer to arrive. So if you are gonna order a case from them, just know that it could take a little longer. Yay, I'm so excited. Okay, so here's the case that I got, and I also did get a screen protector because I just want the most protection I can have for my phone. Oh yeah, so this says, this is antimicrobial screen protector, which is really nice. So this is the case protector that I got, and then let's open this to see. Ooh, bunch of little stuff in here. You can see all of this. Okay, my case is in here. Oh, it's so cute. So I got a peach colored phone case with my name on the back. And so on Casetify, you can write anything you want on the back. There's so many different ways that you can customize it. So you could have written it across or down the bottom. So there's many different ways to customize it. And then there's this other little box. What's in here? Oh, this is so cute. It comes with a bunch of little wet wipes to clean your phone. This is so cute. Oh, well, I'm going to use one now on my phone before I put on the phone case. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm going to put this on. It looks so cute. Oh my god, guys, I love this case. It looks so good. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I love it. Oh my god, and it's like, it's not a super thick case, so it still feels like it's not bulky. You know how some cases are bulky? This isn't bulky at all. Oh my god, I love it. And it goes around all of the corners of the phone, so I feel like it's very well protected, and it goes almost onto the screen. So then I'll just have to put the screen protector on top. Let's open this up now. Ooh, I'm gonna do this at my desk just so I don't mess this up, because I feel like it's very easy to mess this up. So this is the screen protector I got, and it is antimicrobial, and this is an up close of the case I got, and I got it customized to have my name on it, and it's really great quality. I feel like my phone is super protected. So yeah, I'm going to put on the screen protector now. Okay, so let's see. Ooh. This is what it looks like. Comes with a de-dusting sticker. So let's see. Step 1, clean the phone thoroughly and use use the wet wipe and dry wipes. Oh. Did not realize there's a step 1 and a step 2. So we're going to clean with this one first. So next it says, use the dusting sticker and the microfiber cloth to pick up any dust or dirt on the phone screen. So I'm just going to go like this. Okay, so next it says, peel off film on tempered glass. I'm guessing it's this. Align tempered glass with phone screen, match position accordingly, place the tempered glass onto iPhone. So guys, I am in love with my new iPhone. It is so amazing. The picture quality is amazing. It works so well. If you're thinking about getting the new iPhone, I think it's totally worth it. Going from the iPhone 6 to the 12 has made such a difference in my life. It just works so well. I barely charge it anymore, and yeah, I'm just in love with this phone. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you decide if you're going to get the new iPhone or not. Make sure to subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed. And thank you guys again so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!